I can teach a 14-year-old how to do this. This is how stupid easy this is. Bro, it's not that hard to make money, especially in 2026. You don't even have to record your face no more. You can do Faceless Instagram pages. Let's pick one of these together. Let's start off by doing high school sports. So go to TikTok, matter of fact, create a whole new TikTok page and search up high school football sports or high school football players, right? And high school football highlights. And what I want you to do is literally go and like these videos so that your algorithm is full of these type of mixtapes. Go ahead and create a separate Instagram page that's specifically for this new niche. Boom, what we're gonna do is, we're gonna literally collect the viral videos from TikTok and we're gonna put them on Instagram, and boom, that's your Instagram Faces page right there. So I want you to sort and filter videos that have a minimum of 100,000 likes. So at least we know that those videos are popping on TikTok. So when we put them on Instagram, it's like they have a higher chance of going viral, right? Pick 5 through 20 videos every day. I want you to post every day. So once you get those videos off TikTok, I want you to post those on Instagram every day. But the trick is, you are not just posting the videos directly on Instagram from TikTok. No. I want you to go and download something called CapCut. And once you have that video from TikTok, bro, I want you to add a on-screen caption that says POV. You have found the best high school sports mixtapes page, or POV. If you are a high school player, this is the page you need to be on. Or congrats, you found the best high school mixtape page. That way, when people go on this Instagram page, they know exactly what niche this is, right? Do this every day, bro. This is free, bro. This is literally free. So once you posting every day, bro, your page gonna get the busting. Your stuff gonna get the rising quick, right? I'm talking about like so quick. But boom, this is where the money come at. This is where the money come at. So high school players who play sports now are gonna start paying you to get sponsored on your page. So imagine somebody who's a high school player who has a football mixtape. They paying you so you can post on your page so that they can get seen by recruiters, coaches, the whole 9 yards, right? All for free. And then, bro, we're not even talking about, bro, people literally buy pages. Bro, I have people who are trying to buy my 6-figure pages right now. Bro, people literally buy pages. So you can do sponsor posts, bro, but you can also sell your Instagram page. And you just started all of this for free. This is how to start making money with AI in 2026. And don't let me get started about you automating this whole process. So you can have an AI data scraper that automatically scrapes viral videos in your niche every day. And then you can post that. You can have it automatically get posted on your Instagram page. Bro, comment AI if you want me to explain this more.